Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with the boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So in today's video I'm going to do a meatball. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a little twist. So I'm going to add some Walker's Wood jerk season. So I have the mince beef right here, and I have the seasons. I got cut up adding a hit some thyme, so I'm just going to add the green thyme in. I'm also going to cut up one onion, so I'm going to add some chopped garlic, some sweet pepper. So why I like to use the sweet pepper will give it a nice flavor. Some scallion, some onion, I'm adding a spoon all-purpose season, some garlic powder, easy. So I'm seasoning accordingly, season to taste. I'm gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce for color. I'm gonna add some mild jerk season, 1 serving spoon of mild jerk season, some ginger, and I'm also gonna add 1 egg. So I'm going to add some pimento seed and some breadcrumbs. So I'm adding some black pepper, I'm just mixing in the breadcrumbs. So after mixing in both ingredients, I'm gonna leave it to marinate for 45 minutes. The pot is hot. So you just add some vegetable oil. Now that it is hot, I'm actually frying the meatballs. I'm just rolling them. Just drop it in the non-stick frying pot. And rolling them. So I'm just gonna add amount in the pot so they can both have space because I don't want it to overcrowded. So I'm taking out the first set of meatballs. It's hot. Looking really good. Looking good color. I'm going to jerk meatball today, so I don't know what I'm gonna have it with, but maybe I will just steam some white rice and have with it today. I didn't need some more. Guys, what going? It's been a while because the weather for last week, the weather was so bad we couldn't get to shoot any outdoor videos, so that is the reason why for the entire last week you guys never get any video. But I'm so sorry. I do apologize. I will make it up to you guys. Yeah. So I'm taking out the final batch of meatballs, and they are looking extremely beautiful. Nice color. I'm going to take out the pots. Let's place it right here. So I'm gonna use 3 tomatoes. So I'm gonna roast them just to get them soft and then blend them. So I'm making my own tomato juice from scratch. So apparently I have to take down the other grill. The tomato them did it too high. So just turn them. Just roast them, make them get a little bit soft. So the tomato done roast off, so I'm gonna strip off some of the excess black part off of it. Add them in the blender. A little water. So I'm just gonna run it through the blender. That's it. So it's done. So I'm not gonna smooth out it. Saute the season, garlic, scallion, sweet pepper for a minute or 2. Adding some flavor to the sauce. Wow, go on people. Jerk meatball with some white rice today. That's the way the big boss behind the camera saying one. So I'm adding some pimento leaves. Adding my tomato juice. some pepper, spice. You know, say a jerk meatball, so I'm adding some Walker's Wood jerk season. So let me see what it tastes like. Yeah, man. Just want a little pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna add the meatball into the sauce for 5 minutes, just to make them finish cook, because I know it's grinded beef, so meatball not really take long to prepare. So the 5 minutes come now, so I'm gonna check on the meatball them. So they're looking good. So I'm gonna take them off. And then I'm gonna just put on the rice. So that's it for today. Just some meatball and some white rice. I'm adding in some salt right piece at a time. Quarter stick of butter and 2 pieces of scallion. So I'm adding the salt, pretending to season to taste. So just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna cover make it boil, so I'm gonna wash the rice and come back. Add in the rice. Now that the rice dry down, I'm just gonna wrap it with this piece of plastic and let it stay there for another 5 minutes and steam, and then that's it for the day. Meatball done. Try one of them. Yes, good. Can't see the seasoning on it. Now shear out the meatball. I'm just putting them into the sauce so the rice finish. Me and the boss behind the camera have it with some white rice. So the rice there. So guys, remember, please like, comment and share, subscribe for more awesome videos. We don't want more than this, right?